I'm gonna do morning chores again because it's changed so much around here. And who doesn't get motivated by a little bit of morning chores? So let's go. Hey. Well, back to the barn. It's still just as atrocious as it used to be. All right, for my horses, I give them a solid 2 flakes, sometimes 3, depending on whatever. Flake is, shoot! 1 flake is one of those. See how that's 2 different, kind of like a slice of bread, if you think about it. So 2 flakes per horse, and about 1 for the goats in the morning. And then same thing at night. The horses get a flake of alfalfa each, and the goats get a half a flake at night. And that's it for the barn. So yeah, I'll go feed them. Goats. Oh, so close. I didn't make it. Oh well. Gotta go out to blaze. Come along with me. Well, I'm an idiot. I got all the animals done. I didn't fill up the water for the woods. So I guess we'll be waiting around for that one. Bad news. Bad news. Water's frozen. Looks like Zach has to water the cows later. They'll just have to go without water for a little bit. What I'll do is I'll just take a bucket out there, steal water from the pigs, and then Zach will just have to do the water himself. I don't have to do it. So that means the barn animals are officially done. I don't have to fill up no water. And then I got to do the woods animals, and I got to do my dogs, cats, and rabbits. Got to get my keys. Got him. Let's go. Just kidding. Oh my goodness. Forgot that I have the thing on. You probably hear me pant like a panther. I gotta get a bucket. I think I'm ready to go out to the woods. Unless I come back and say I'm not. I think I'm ready. Let's go. Welcome to my passenger seat. It was frozen last night. I gotta sit here. I'll turn that off. I gotta sit here until this defrosts. So we're waiting even longer before we go out to the woods. I don't know why I'm wasting time waiting for that to defrost. Let's just go feed the dogs and the cats, and then hopefully it'll be defrosted by the time that we get back. Doesn't take long to feed the dogs or the cats. They're pretty boring as well. Okay, I think I just changed this week. I think this is cat food. Ugh. Yeah, this is cat food. So sorry guys, you guys have to wait. This is dog food. Well, I grabbed this too. What is this, you might ask? Stick around and find out. All right, I think it's defrosted now. We can go. All right, here we are. Whoa! Just kidding. I'm kidding. You might want some earmuffs for the next part. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? I wonder if my microphone will block out the noise. I'm so mad. I filmed all of that and I don't think I got any of it because when I checked my phone, it was black. So I fed these guys and then I talked for like 10 minutes about what I feed them. So that sucks. That really sucks. That sucks so bad. I'm mad and I don't even know how to fix that. Let's just film a different day. No, we're gonna move on. We're gonna move on. I've lost video before. It's fine. I'm gonna move on. Am I? So these guys, they scream really bad when we show up. I think I got that on video, but I didn't get feeding them. So they calm down once they get a couple scoops. I give them 13 scoops total. Here. This is a scooper. It's about 3.5 pounds. I give them, let me get rid of this. I give them 13 scoops morning and night of that. That equals somewhere close to 50 pounds. I think it should be 46 or a little bit more. The black coonies are 1 pound each. And I explained this so much more on the other video that I didn't actually get. Black coonies are 1 pound each. And then the small IVPs are 3 pounds each. And then the Cooney IVP mix that I have in there is 3 to 4 pounds. Just say 3.5. And then Jasper and Carla, which is the big IVPs, are 4 pounds each. And that's where IVPs max out. They max out at 4 pounds. But with that being said, I do 13 scoops, which is quite a bit. I don't know the math exactly. Maybe I'll flash it up on the screen. But because I wet the feed and ferment it, it's doubled the weight. But I still feed them according to dry. So they get that weight that I just gave you, that's based off dry. So it would be double that for wet. Yeah, so that's what I feed them morning and night, 13 scoops. All right, let's go feed those guys. The big ones. Okay, these guys, let me feed them so that they're not like sad that I'm not feeding them. And then we'll talk about what they eat. So these guys are 4 pounds each because, like I said, IPP maxes out at 4 pounds. Bigger industrial hogs, they're going to have way more feed. These guys take longer to grow. These guys are adults though, so yeah, don't think about that. But this breed does take longer to grow. It's always based off body condition too. So you got to think about like, oh, it's frozen this morning, so I'm going to definitely give them their full 2 scoops. They don't eat as much as you would think. And it's so funny. We call those little guys the tater tots now. They're the only 2 that get in there and try to steal food from them. It's so annoying. And it annoys them too. But whatever. They'll defend their own food. It doesn't really bug me too much. Okay. We're still... Oh! Not the bowl I wanted. I'll be right back. Did I say bowl? I meant bucket. Alright. Steal some water from them. For these guys over here. Their bucket's not in the right spot. I'll be right back. I'm back. I've got to say, then the cows are the most annoying farm animal, for sure. And I know a lot of people are like, oh, they're so great. They're really not my favorite. And Sam loves them. That's all I'm going to give them because Zach's going to bring out a whole thing of water. He probably should bring out 2 because they need water too. But yeah, he'll bring out water later, so that 2 buckets fine. Honestly, it's so easy to get in that way. I might just start doing it that way. Okay, cows. All I do for the cows is I'm in the morning is make sure that's full of hay. If there's enough hay in there to make it until tonight, that's fine. So that's all I got to do for the cows. So that's the cows. At night we give them alfalfa, and we give them grain. 3 scoops of the same scoop. 3 scoops of the same scooper that I used for the pigs. That like 3.5 pound scooper. I use that for the cows' grain as well, and they get 3 scoops at night, but nothing in the morning. They just get their hay, just free fed hay in their feeder all day, and then alfalfa and grain at night. They're probably the easiest to feed, but they're always knocking over their water, so they're super annoying. Probably the most annoying farm animal. And I get it, they're young, they're like still pretty much babies, but they're annoying. I love them though. I'm actually running out of time now. I gotta go to work, and I still have to change my clothes because I don't wear my farm clothes to work. And so I'm gonna let Zach take over the rabbits. That's the only thing left on the list. I'll tell him to film it. If you don't see the rabbits done, it's because he did it without filming, and that's okay. He's better at filming than I am, but. Forgot all about this. Want to know what this is all about? That one ran off with it. Where are you, buddy? Hey, Jasper, let him have it! You're so mean! All done. Heading back home. Gotta get dressed for work. Yay! Well, that took me about half an hour or so, maybe a little bit longer because of all the mishaps that I had. But yeah, all done. Farm animals are done. I take that back. Rabbits. Zach can do the rabbits. There he is. Watching me film myself. How awkward.